I'm going to show you how to make a quick snack that you can have for a movie night or just a quick snack at lunch. So I have my popcorn. I have my pan already with, of course, always using Texana brand. This is extra virgin olive oil, so we don't need any flavors from the olive oil. Have the pan heated up, and I'm gonna let that go for a few seconds. I'm just gonna put my popcorn in our oil pan here. Just not too much. Now I'm gonna put the lid on here, and also I'm gonna take our pumpkin butter here, or excuse me, peach butter. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds to get it so that when the popcorn is done, I can put it all over the popcorn. And about 30 seconds is about as much time as you want to take away from looking at this popcorn. Since you don't see me, I'm gonna show you the popcorn is actually starting to pop now. And I don't have it on too high of heat because I don't want it to scorch. I just want to make sure that all the kernels pop. So I've noticed when I pop my own popcorn, there's a few unpopped kernels at the bottom, but you know what? That's fine because that's better than having it go with popcorn. If it goes a second too long, it's scorched. So as you can see, what I'm doing right now, I've added cinnamon. Now I'm adding some shaved coconut. I'm gonna add some almonds there. I want to make sure that all the toppings just aren't on the top. So I have this warm pumpkin butter. Thank you, beautiful executive director. My culinary muse, Mi Vida. This tastes as good as it looks too. And it's not high in sodium like anything that you're gonna buy prepared in the store, especially the microwave popcorn. And it's actually controlled carbs. I don't think Miriam will let me eat this whole thing by myself, so this is probably a serving for 2 people.